Blue plane! Yay! Hello everyone! It's been a while since I've done a baby product review. Yeah. I got the Hatch Baby Rest Plus. It is a sound machine, night light, time to rise, plus an audio baby monitor. So it just arrived today. So what I thought I'd do is an unboxing and review after using it for a while. And the reason why I got a new one, so Taking Care of Baby said that the sound machine needs to be loud enough that you can hear it outside of the door. Yeah. So I bought one, the Dome DOHM, and it was not loud enough to hear outside the door. We got a portable sound machine, and that one was so much louder. So we actually have two sound machines on either side of her crib right now, and the portable one is so much louder. And I was gonna get a second portable one just to keep in the diaper bag because I have forgotten it a couple times when we're out and she needs to take a nap on the go. So it says, getting your baby to sleep is serious business. We get it and we're here to help. So I saw they were coming out with this, so I decided to get this instead of the portable, a second portable sound machine. So I'm hoping it's just as loud as that portable one. So it's real, it kind of looks like a diffuser. The material is really nice. So it looks like there's a plug there. There's volume up and down here, and maybe brightness here. This is the Cord Hatch Baby Rest app to download. And I actually have the Hatch Baby scale and changing pad. What is that? Oh, she took her bow off. Did your bow fall off? So there's this, which is a great size. It looks like there's a speaker on top. And the cord. Do you have your bow? Do you want to put it back on? Doesn't it feel neat? Oh, it says to turn off power and Wi-Fi. Hold both of these for 10 seconds. So it's for toddler and big kid. Customized programs to cue your toddler or big kid to those tricky transitions, nap, bedtime, and morning. For the baby, turn up the white noise and turn on a red hue for sleepy midnight feedings and diaper changes. Teach toddlers and preschoolers to stay in bed until it's time to rise. Don't put it in your mouth. It's also Alexa enabled, which we have a smart home, and if you want to check out her smart nursery tour, I will link the video here. So through Alexa, you can change the lights, sound, and more. Oh, okay. So it says it's very mobile. And you can use rechargeable batteries, which this is kind of big. This is kind of big to take. I doubt we'll take it. Turn up the wind and turn down the light from your phone. All right, I'm excited to get started. Hey everyone, it has been a couple days since I've used the Hatch Plus, and sadly this might be my first negative review of a product. I got it from Nordstrom's, and I'm gonna be honest with them and told them I used it for a couple days, but I'm gonna see if I can return it. So the one thing that I got it for was the loud white noise. I can't stand the sounds that this thing plays, but the portable one has the perfect sound. I love it so much. Perfect. When I first turned on this sound, Alana was like scared of it and didn't like it, and she still doesn't like it. I tried it every nap and every day and she doesn't like it. I don't blame her. It's like a TV static and it reminds me of like Poltergeist. Yeah, it's annoying, I know. That's not even all the way up. They're here. I thought that the lullabies that were on there, which is, I think, Twinkle Twinkle, Brahms Lullaby, and I forget the other one. I thought I would like it, but it was like an annoying jewelry box that you open where the ballerina spins around over and over. It was like Chinese water torture. So there are two sounds I like. I like the wave and the birds are okay. They're kind of annoying, but the water sounds I really like a lot. But I just, you know, for sleeping, it has to be white noise. It can't have rhythm or anything like that. And that white noise sound is awful. So Hatch, if you're watching this, can you just make a different white noise and I would totally be on board. I thought we would use it more. It said like to let your toddler know it's time to get out of bed. But since I like found this, I don't think it's gonna work for us because I'm gonna be doing a Montessori floor bed. I just recently got into Montessori. So she's gonna have the freedom to get out of the bed soon and just explore. So I don't think that is something that would benefit our family. It is on battery powered. I feel like that's the big positive with this. So when you lose power, our monitor wouldn't work and our Nest camera wouldn't work. Those are the two things that, okay, I might be crazy. I have a lot of stuff monitoring her. But those two things, I lose power, so I can't really hear her or see her at all when she's taking a nap, when the power goes out. So that would be a big positive because it's battery operated, it has audio monitor. The clock you can turn off. I don't really see an advantage to having a clock in there. Everyone's got a watch or a phone on them at all times. We have a smart home. I have an Alexa in her room. Everything is controlled through apps, through Echo, and when she wakes up, I give her like 20 minutes to wake up and then I turn on her nursery lights to about 20-30% to let her know I'm coming, and I can get another like 10-20 minutes sometimes out of that. So having the light for that is not as nice, I think, as the nursery lights. So if you're looking into this, I would highly recommend to get some sort of Echo product, whether it's like the new small ones or a big Echo. And I mean, they have cheap ones now. We have one on our side table. I think they're like $30-40. And you can play lullabies through that instead of that awful sound. And then you can get a smart light bulb and a lamp and control it through that, through the Alexa app, or through, if you have multiple Alexas, you can ask it to turn it on. So that's what I would recommend instead of the Hatch Plus. The lighting is cool. You can do custom lighting and change it around, and all the different colors is really neat. Everything's very intuitive. It didn't come with a manual, which I found a little annoying, but they email you one once you register the app. And the app is very intuitive, very easy to set up, very easy to use. They did a great job with that. So there's a ring on top so you can set up your favorite schemes, so music, light, and the volume of both. And then I set up 3 favorites, so off, white noise, and water, no light, and the awful static sound. So you can just tap on those. That way, if like you don't have your phone on you, and or you just don't want to deal with having to talk through the Echo, because you can set it up through your Echo to tell it to be able to use voice commands through the Echo. You can set that up. So here's the ring on top. That's a lovely water sound and white. And that's not turned up very high. That's the annoying static. And then you can turn up the volume here if you don't have your phone. The other nice thing you can do is set up programs. So I set it up between, she usually goes down for her nap between 11:30 and 12:30. Soft water and a blue light. And then again around 6:30 I set up a different program to come on. That way when we walk in her room, it is already playing and she knows it's time for bed. So that was a nice feature, but again, I can just turn on soft lullabies and low lighting in the room with our smart home. What I think I'm gonna do is see if they can return it and then go with my original plan of just getting a second portable sound machine because it's so loud and I just love that sound. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are looking into the Hatch Plus, this is my honest review, the positives and the negatives that I see. So hopefully it can help you in making a better decision of what you want to do with your purchase. So be sure to subscribe if you want to check out more baby product reviews. I have some more coming up. Oh wait, let me show you the other sounds. Watch. So that's the lovely water sound. That's the wave. That's nice. Here are the lullabies. It's lovely. But play that for 20 minutes while you're getting her ready for bed. Zebra. Oh, hi, Tag. Everyone really wants attention today.